To all my brothers and sisters in DC, the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendment are not going to just be amendments on paper. These are going to be your legal shield. And with Trump's goons and National Guard and ICE squad out there just thinking that they're going to be making easy arrests, black men are going to have to come together and make this extremely hard for them. So you're going to have to know these amendments. The 4th Amendment, which protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Cops just can't search you, your car, or your home without probable cause or a warrant. So if cops try to search you or any of your property, simply say, "I do not consent to any searches," and leave it alone. Don't fight, don't argue, just plant that seed for the record. That forces them to either back down or risk breaking the law. Just because they have power doesn't mean they have legal authority. By voicing that, you set yourself up for protection later in court. The 5th Amendment, which is the right to remain silent. This is a big one. You're not required to explain yourself, argue with them, or give them more ammo. Simply tell them, "I'm invoking my right to remain silent," and stop talking. Anything you say can be used and twisted into evidence. Staying silent protects you from self-incrimination, especially with this crazy crowd. And it forces them to build a case against you instead of tricking you into theirs. The 6th Amendment, I don't care what they say, you have a right to counsel. If they arrest you, you have a right to a lawyer, period. Simply tell them, "I want to speak to an attorney," and don't answer any questions until one is presented. Even if you can't afford one, the government must provide a public defender. And once you invoke this right, questioning must stop. Now, these rights don't mean that cops are going to suddenly play fair, but they create a legal record that can turn the tables later. By standing on your rights, you're protecting your future, your votes, and your freedom. And when brothers move with the same discipline, refusing illegal searches, staying silent, and demanding lawyers, it forces the system to either respect the law or expose itself as unconstitutional. The real power is in unity. If every black man in DC knew these rights and applied them the same way, the mass raids that Trump ordered would not be a clean sweep. They become a legal battlefield the administration can't win without breaking the Constitution in broad daylight.